Yeah, you might be questioning yourself. Why is the video so long? It should take less time for someone to actually prestige, right? Well, the funny part is, it was actually 12 a.m. the whole entire time when I was trying to record. So basically, no one was prestiging. I was still in farming servers, and it was just a huge mess in general. But I guess enjoy the video anyways. Okay, so what I've been trying to do is a little challenge called if I hear a goddamn prestige sound at least once, the video ends. So I'm gonna just go to like a farming server, cause that's like most of the people actually like try to prestige in. It's so simple for them to prestige, just in a PvE server. So I'll probably just be farming until I hear that one prestige sound that goes off every 2 seconds. Could've been better the first day actually, but I didn't feel like actually doing it the first day. Someone has to prestige, at least once. It's so simple, man. It's literally the most simplest thing. Literally no one's like in a VC with me, so like it's very like awkward talking to myself for 2 seconds. Don't really usually do this type of stuff, or I will never do it because I'm more comfortable around like other people in a VC than myself. I just need to get this video done. Someone just prestige already, please, please, just do it already. It's so simple. I just want to hear that one sound effect that goes off every 2 seconds for me to actually, I don't know, for me to actually like end the video like quicker. It's probably gonna be like a short one, considering that like it's so easy to like prestige now. Well, not that easy, cause like that new skull thing that came around. I think every like 300 kills, I think it gives you like a Skull Guardian that's like 30k health. That thing's I think kind of cool. I only got it once, I never used it again, I don't feel like it. Yeah, R2DA like nowadays like very boring, so like I can't really do anything else on here. Instead like play Battle Station or something, but I'm very terrible at that because of the amount of people that actually got good at that. There's barely any people actually good on R2DA anyway, so there's really no point. No one's even good on R2DA. All you see are macros and yeah, you get the joke. I just kind of wonder what goes through people's brains when they're like prestige or something. Like when they're prestiging at the same time. They really think they're funny. Like hey guys, please, let's proceed at the same time. Yeah, and there's that one champion dude again. Yep, I see it right before my eyes. I'm killing this thing, hold on. I wonder if he can like, okay, no, you can't do anything with a boot buster. That's kind of insane. I don't know why I have a boot buster, but I do. If I had a boot buster, I'd be like prestige 3 already. I don't feel like being prestige 3. Oh yeah, I forgot, I don't have the music on. That's probably why I didn't hear that much. I should probably do whoever levels up. Whoever levels up, I end the video. I could try that, because if I'm in a farming server, it's more common for that to happen. I don't want the video on that quick, actually. If it was a battle station server, the video would be like, at least like a billion hours. Yeah, see, people are leveling up like very fast, so I don't know. It's like 12 a.m. I kind of want to go to sleep. It's yeah, it is 12 a.m. 12:05 a.m. and I really want to go to sleep. So someone please play the prestige audio. I'm really not even like farming like at all, so like there's really no point at even trying to actually do stuff. I mean, when I'm done anyways, I'm pretty sure the clips will just be like 20 minutes or so because people aren't prestiging. Oh yeah, now I know another reason why. It's 12 a.m. in the morning, so the video won't end at all. I have to stop complaining about my time zone and 12 a.m. Look at that elemental, it's gone. Jesus Christ, hold on. Okay, let me like play a little game real quick. Oh, that's the game. Alright. A noob that hunts zombies. Oh no, I don't want to die. I don't want to die, no thank you, I'm sorry. I'll kill it anyways. I wonder how much cash I actually get. Oh, it's cool, the server's lagging. I wonder how long this will take for someone to prestige. It might take a while. And now the server's lagging. This is kind of insane. Buster's like very useless. I don't know why people bring it sometimes. And there goes the server again. That's kind of insane. I'm on the floor right now. That noise should be louder, right? I should hear like a billion bullets flying around my goddamn ears right now. That's how loud it should be when it's lagging. Oh god. How long is this gonna last? Like, how long will the server, like, experience all this? Because it's kind of insane. Okay, these guys are kind of insane. This person's insane over here. This person's insane. Everyone's literally insane right now. Because the server's, like, the worst right now. Are we gonna start or not? Is the server's literally high on crack. Okay, that took a while. Okay. Okay, new method. Farming servers aren't good ideas. It's 12 a.m. just like I said like a billion times. There should. Oh, never mind. There is. All right. Oh, that's why there's people here. It's because people left for this. It's kind of insane. Come on, man. Someone needs prestige one way or another. Someone has to. Legit. Someone has to. I'm literally waiting for it. I just want to go to sleep, man. If no prestige is in like a couple minutes, I'm literally just gonna waste. Like, I'm just gonna go to bed and like do it another day. Cause this is just wasting my time. Okay, here's me playing Battle Station. Look at my trash aim. Who am I aiming at, man? Okay, I don't know who these two people are, but they're gone. Up, never. I don't want to. Hey, man, that's not nice. Why are the bullets not showing? Hello? Hey, man, what are you doing? You're smart. What even was that? Hold on. Oh, I forgot China League exists on this. Lol, who's shooting me? I swear that's something else. Why are you throwing a nade at me? Oh yeah, it's probably because I kept on nading him. He got on my nerves one time, that's probably why. Literally like the closest to actually being prestige, so it don't even matter at this point. Why the hell is my screen like this? Why is my screen like this? Why? What is this? What is this? Is this? What the hell is this? Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie when I say that. This map is so good. It literally. What the fuck? What is this? This is a very good map. Is this Void 2.0? Damn. They really made some updates. Hey, the funny part about this map is that I can't see them at all. The funny part about literally every part of this map, I cannot even see the map. I can only see the skybox and white spots. That's all I can see. Can I get these people? Hold on. Can I get this guy right here? I can't see him. I'll kill him. Literally burning his eyes out. Okay, let's see real quick. Okay. So I know I can go in first. This will look dumb, bro. Okay, so where is he? I don't even know if he's gone or not. I literally can't see anything. I can't see anything. I can't tell if I'm being killed or not because I can't see anything. I can only see name tags. The funny part about this, I can't see the walls. No, the funny part about this whole entire map, I just said I cannot see literally anything. I just love this map with all my heart. I just love it so much, man. I'm kind of curious, who thought of this? Who thought of this cool map design that went to the point it had to be this, like, bright? And the skybox, it just had to stay the same. Like, it's perfect as is. This, on the other hand, oh, no. We have to make everything fucking bright as hell, just so you can actually, like, get the full perspective of the goddamn map. The hills, the buildings, everything, the train tracks. But the thing is, what the perspective is like way goddamn off. Our perspective, we just see like light. We see everything. Everything as in we just see neon colors with white all over it. Apparently their perspective is like clear as hell. Literally, they're just clear. It's kind of insane. Now on from this terrible map, I'll actually have to get good stuff for a good map. If this one turns neon, I have no clue what to do at this point. This one does. Okay, good. This one doesn't turn neon. Okay, I'm kind of terrible. I have like, I can't aim. Sorry. Huh? Okay, he's kind of gone, and he had lag too. That's kind of nice. Oh. Okay, I don't want cold living right now, so I'm just gonna nade him. Since he naded me. What does he have? That kid. Okay, oh, kid, hold on. What? Oh! I died! You know, the funny part about this, I just forgot the whole entire topic of this video. The whole topic of this is for someone to prestige, and I end the video. And that didn't even happen yet. Can I, like, get someone to prestige already? Legit, it's so annoying for, like... Yeah, I don't know, man. This kinda sucks. Oh, MS with 9 out of 15. 14 to 19. We'll do this. Campaign rescue is just the same thing as farming servers. The thing is, you don't get shit from campaign, nor rescue. You only get them from like survival unlimited or PvE, or well, Void's kind of dead, so it don't matter. Void is just boring as hell. I don't know what people are on about. Don't get me wrong. It's like boring. Oh, I don't even know Jank was here. I don't know why he unfriended me, but I don't really care at this point. He does himself. I don't like he. Let me rephrase that. He does him. No, that's not what I meant. I meant he does him. He. Never mind. I don't care anymore. Look at these dudes being gone. Look at these dudes just being gone out of nowhere. Can someone prestige, bruh? I really need someone to prestige. I'm literally like crying on the floor just waiting for someone to actually prestige already. Someone prestige! Like, someone please. I just want to go to sleep. It's 12:40 a.m. I just want to go to sleep. I remember like a year ago, I used to play MS like a lot, and I've always thought that was like the best Rambo. Like I would just assume myself as like the Rambo god. I even named an account over that. I actually still use it, kind of. I'm not gonna say the actual name because I don't feel like leaking an account. Let's see how Black Eagle and Conspiracy Confirmed do this. What will happen? Oh, ooh, the good tact. That tactic is very special right there. Oh, I didn't even see him. Oh my god, all these people are coming from nowhere. All these people come from nowhere, bro. Oh god. And now I'm by myself. That was quick. I haven't played MS in a while, so I might be rusty. I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone's rusty in MS. Literally. Oh, of course, the good old drop down. Yeah. Yeah, like that's not original. And what just happened there? This dude won. This dude did his job well. Not really. This is MS. No one literally does their job well at all. No one does it at all. Look at this dude. He has the weird ass. Trying to find something that actually looks identical to that. I was gonna say like Ice Age, but that's literally like a representation of that. That's not even like a roast or anything. It's like more of like a fucking. I don't even know. I haven't played this game in like a huge ass decade. A big, fat, sweaty decade. Well, not a decade, but like it just felt like a couple. Oh, finally!